I'm going to be telling you about the T&G speaker. Now, this used to be sold on Temu, right? It used to be sold on Temu for $12, but it's actually discontinued on Temu for whatever reason. So the only place you can get it now is Amazon. But no worries, it's still pretty cheap. It's $10, right? Now, this speaker is pretty much compared to a JBL speaker, right? And the design is pretty similar to a JBL speaker as well. Now, is it better or is it worse than a JBL speaker, right? So let's search it up here. For example, I want to find a JBL speaker here, right? So let me find a JBL speaker, and I'm just going to tap on the Amazon one here. Now, the cheapest JBL speaker there is about $90. And the cheapest one here for a T&G is $10, right? So not looking at reviews, not looking at build quality, and let's just look at the price. You're comparing a product of $10 value to a $99 value. So is it better? Is it worse? You get what you paid for. JBL is pretty expensive, right? So you're gonna get a good quality product. T&G is pretty cheap, so you're gonna get something cheap, right? That's obvious. So is it better? Is it worse? Obviously, the T&G speaker is worse, right? And because it's only $10, but that doesn't mean it's inherently bad. It's just mean it's just in a different class, right? The JBL speaker is a high-end speaker, and T&G is probably a low-end speaker. And if you compare the best of the low end with the worst of the high-end speaker, then obviously the worst is gonna win. But of course, this is still a pretty dodgy product, right? Because it's $10, because $10 is cheap, right? So, and technology is pretty expensive. So if you still want to get this, make sure you know what you're doing. Make sure you've read up on reviews, because to me, this doesn't look like a good product. There are better options out there for $10 speaker. But if you insist on getting this one, then of course, I'm sure you know what you're doing. I trust your judgment. So if you've done your research, then go ahead and buy it.